Hello everyone. Um, this is Namdi. It's been a while since I posted a video regarding trading or anything regarding anything in general, honestly. Um, I'm really happy to be back. Over the past few months, the market condition hasn't been really good, but of recent, since the start of this is October, since the start of September or mid-September, the market has been presenting some really, really good trading opportunities, and I've been able to backtest, look at the charts, and analyze my mistakes and learn a lot, because that's the game. You have to learn. You have to keep on learning. You have to keep on evolving. That aside, I'll have to go straight into it. Um, this is the only pair I trade is GbpJpy. Uh, I don't feel comfortable trading other pairs because other pairs look like gibberish to me, look like nonsense to me. So let's remove all this first so you can see everything, I'll walk you through the process, my thought process on how I was able to break down this pair, and I was able to catch a trade. I was able to catch what was this called? I was able to catch almost over 100 pips in this trade. It was a winning trade. Um, yeah, it was a good trade. It was a close to 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, which is really good. So if you're risking $1, you're making $3. If you're risking $100, you're making $300 on this trade. If you're risking $1,000, you're making $3,000, which is a very good return on investment, in my opinion, at least. So what I did was I started from the monthly time frame as usual, which is like the general, like just like the bird's eye view. We're looking at everything from the top to the bottom. So the monthly time frame showed me that the market is in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. I'll be able to point this out using this tool, like this: higher highs, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Yeah. So if I pull this out, you'll be able to see this is the kind of trend the market is making, the pattern the market is making. Let me just clear this. Let me zoom in. So these arrows can be really confusing. Give me, yeah. Okay. So yeah, this was what I saw on the monthly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, I could see that the market is still making higher highs and higher lows right here. And what happened was there there was an impulsive move down, multiple candles here, right here. You can see these candles right here. This big, fucking big bearish candles right here, which could kind of fool you into thinking the market is, you know, trying to reverse, like, overall. Yes, the market might reverse, so but not at the moment. So the market dropped totally, dropped very, very, dropped like very fastly, impulsively, all the way to 183, 183.97. Yeah. And the market made, if you look closely, the market made a lower high right here. The market made a lower high and made a lower low right here. And the market broke this structure right here at this 191.881. So the market broke this structure with this move right here. You can see these are two massive bullish candles breaking above this level of resistance, this lower high right here. So in my head, I was thinking, okay, since the market has broken this on the weekly time frame, it means that the market is ready to push bullish, at least push all the way up to this resistance right here. Then on the daily time frame, we can see things a lot better. We are zooming in. Remember, the higher the time frame, the more the more valid and the more strong the price action. You know, so the market broke all the structures on the daily time frame. Yes, the market broke the structures. Um, it stopped here at this price right here, and it made a lower high right here and a double bottom pattern right here, and decided to continue pushing up. So market broke this resistance on the daily time frame with this move, broke resistance, made a higher low right here and a higher high right here. That was the daily time frame. Then on the 4-hour time frame, what the market did was this area was a bit confusing because I saw that the market was making higher highs and higher lows right here. This move, the market broke structures right here. So what I was expecting was the market to continue pushing down a bit, at least all the way to this level, but no, it didn't. The market made a double bottom right here, broke above this resistance right here, and continued trending up here. At the moment, he hasn't really showed any sign of um, bearishness, though he's still ranging above this resistance. As the market broke, it broke this resistance right here with this move. It broke this, it's not ranging. So he has broken the resistance. I'm going to draw it out. You can see I even have the zone mapped out there already. So if I put in the line charts, you see clearly that the market has broken the resistance. You can see on the line chart, it has broken the resistance here. So my thought process was that market is going to, when I saw that the market dipped back into this zone, this is go to market, this red zone. When I saw the market dip back into this zone with these candles, I immediately thought, oh, okay, the market is going to retest this 193.912 level. I knew for sure that the market was going to retest this level. And if it breaks this level, I would wait for the market to reach all the way down here and test this level. And I'll be going for buys at this level as well. So I already had the whole plan sets down. Okay, this is what I'll do if the market does this, and that's what you should be doing. If the market does this, you do this. You should always react. It's something I struggle with. You don't predict, you react. You react to what the market is doing, and you plan. You plan accordingly. React and plan and react, plan and react, and manage risk. Accept uncertainty because this is an uncertain game. You really you you don't know what the market is going to do. Nobody knows what the market is going to do. So you just have to plan, react, and manage risk because that's the only thing that's going to work for you. Yeah, so the market broke above this resistance right here, 1, 2, and came back all the way to retest this area. So that was what happened on the 4-hour time frame. So I saw the market was making lower highs and lower lows all the way down to this resistance. And it first retested. I didn't really see there was no reason for me to buy here because the market did not show me any signs that it was going to go up long term. So he hasn't showed me any sign yet. So all the way down, going all the way down to the 30-minute time frame, that's when I started seeing some signs that okay, the market might be getting ready to go up right now. So the market right here started channeling all the way down, which is what you want to see. You want to see the market channeling down to support or resistance, especially when it comes to PGA. Those setups offer uh, very high probability of you winning. When you see the market channeling, write this down. When you see the market channeling to a resistance or a support level on GbpJpy, I don't know about other pairs, but on GbpJpy, it's a high probability setup. So the market channel down. Look at this. Lower highs, lower, lower, high, lower, lower. So this was the trend line to mark that channel. right here. You see that the market did not channel down. The market just impulsed here, impulsive move all the way to this level of support, and finally decided to channel back. That's when the real move happened after it broke the channel. So the market broke this channel, and this was where I entered the trade right here on this candle after the market broke the channel with this candle. And my confluence was the market was making right here. The market was also making higher lows right here, as you can see. These are higher lows the market was making right there. And when you see the market making higher lows and breaking the channel, just know that, oh, hyper will set up with this beautiful, beautiful bullish candle right here. Man, it was just a thing of beauty, honestly. It was beautiful the way the market broke. I knew that the market was going to continue going up. After when I saw this, I was very, very confident. 90%, 95% of the time, these things happen, and this setup is very, 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 very high probability. You can take this setup and go to bed and be sure, be rest assured that the market will hit, you'll take profit. So my target was here, right here. The market has not really hit my targets, but it's still gonna hit in the future. If it doesn't hit, just I mean the market has moved a great deal already. So it's you can take partials or you can wait for it to hit the targets. Anyone you're more comfortable doing. So yeah, that was my thought process throughout this trade. It was a very, very simple trade, very beautiful, beautiful setup. Trade setup. These things happen all the time on GbpJpy. And I try to take my trades between the London session and New York session. I don't really like trading Asian session because when when the London Open comes, there's usually fake outs and a lot of manipulation, So it's best to avoid the Asian range in general. When the market is ranging in Asian session, it's best to avoid it. And unfortunately, where I am at the moment in Australia here, it's the time zone is the daytime is usually during Asian session. So when it's London session, you most likely be asleep. London and New York session. New York session especially because London session starts from 3 or 4 p.m. here in Australia, if I'm not mistaken. So that was just the trade in general. That was what I was thinking about. This video is not just for you, it's for me as well. I do struggle with discipline. I do struggle with patience, and my self-worth. I usually have my self-worth attached to the trade. You know, my setups, my skill sets is not good because I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I'm trying to rewire my brain. I'm trying to rewire my thinking. I'm a human being. I'm working on myself every day. I'm trying to change my thought process into, thinking that I am better than my skill set. I'm not my skill set in general. And whatever outcome whatever happens on the charts does not have anything to do with me. You know, if I win or lose, it doesn't have anything to do with me. And move on. You have to move on. That is life. It doesn't have anything to do with you winning or losing. You have to embrace risk. You have to embrace uncertainty. Because if you don't embrace risk and uncertainty, you're going to find yourself losing in this game for a very, very long time. Um, Even in life in general, you know, things happen. I'm transitioning from the charts now to another topic, but things happen and you just have to, I won't say be prepared because you can't be absolutely prepared for everything. You can never be absolutely prepared for everything. You just, I won't even say expect the unexpected because it doesn't even make sense. That statement doesn't even make sense. But embrace uncertainty, you know, understand that life is uncertain. There are things that will happen that will rock your world. that will rock you. At that point in time, when you're feeling those kind of emotions, just try and center yourself, stay firm, remind yourself that okay, you've told yourself that if anything happens, I would remain firm and I would trust that things will be better. You know, you would trust that things will be better in the future. And that is it for this analysis. The the risk reward for this trade was 1 to 3. So if you put $100 on this trade, for sure you're making $300. This tool here is a risk reward tool. This green here shows the length the market is willing to go, and the end of the green shows that my exact target, the last, and this red right here, the little red, is my risk. It shows the number of pips I'm going to risk for this trade, and with the number of pips I can calculate how much I'm going to risk in the risk reward calculator. The bottom here is my stop loss. If the market crosses, if I entered here and the market crossed all the way here, I've lost the trade. So if I enter the trade here and the market goes all the way here and takes me out, or maybe I get out manually somewhere around here, I've won the trade. So that's just basically it for people who don't really understand what this tool is. And the whole thing this is trading view. It's easy. You can open an account easily and yeah, begin to use it, learn about it. I think it's free. It's free for everyone. So open an account and you can use it easily. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you very much for your time and God bless.